welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Leonela and I love sharing my designs with you guys. But today we're going to be doing something different because I wanted to show you all the things I crocheted in a week. I have two children. One is 3 months and the other one is 5 years old. So I find it a bit hard to crochet during the day, so I usually do all my work during the night. So I want to share all the things I crocheted. So the first one is that you already have the pattern for it on my channel. So it says cute bandana scarves or bandana or head covers that you can wear all the time, especially now if you're in the summer. They're super quick to make and super cute. And I got a bit carried away and I crocheted like 5 or 4 because they're super quick to make. You can see there. I made these in a different cotton yarn as well than this one. You can see there. And I made another one in this yellow color. So I had so much fun making this that I made 5. So, and I have another one that I can't find, but yeah, I made 5. So if you want to make it, I have the tutorial on my channel. And yes, how cute they are. And I love it because, you know, when your hair is a bit messy and you don't know what to do, you just put it on and it's perfect. So this is one thing and I love them. Then I got carried away and I wanted to make a different kind of bandana design, and I made this one. How cute, right? And this is the arches stitch, I think it is called, yes. And look at this, it's lovely. And I made it this, I didn't hide the ends yet, but I used a really thin yarn to make it a bit more of kind of a lace effect. And originally I made this pattern for a magazine, but it was a shawl. That was like 2020. And I decided, why not make it in a bandana, right? I made it a bit bigger than this one. As you can see, this is like not so big, and this is like really big because I really wanted to cover like all my head. So whenever I put it on like this, as you can see, it just covers all the head. Yeah, I'm excited to share this pattern with you. I'm gonna make a tutorial and I'm also gonna share the written pattern on my blog. But you let me know what you think. Do you like it? I think it's really cute. And I'm making another one in a pink color because obviously I like everything pink. So this is the second thing I've made. And then I also made here. Okay, so this is such a nice stitch that I didn't know what to do with it. So I decided to make a vest. And look, I'm so excited about this. Wow. Like, as you can see, I didn't finish. I need to finish the elastic like I did here on this side, and then also on the neck, just to give it a better finish to the sweater. So I use this stitch that is called a flower puff. You can see it's all little like puff stitches, but they kind of create like a flower. And a long time ago, actually a few weeks ago, I shared a short video of how to make this stitch on my Instagram, and everybody loved it. And they said they wanted to see a full tutorial of how to make this stitch. So I went ahead and I said, I'm gonna make a project. Why not? So I made this vest, and how cute it is. And believe it or not, it's really quick to make. I made the whole bag last night in 2 hours. After I put the kids to bed, I just came to the kitchen, to the living room, and I started crocheting, and it took me 2 hours. And maybe this side, it took me a bit longer, but because I was like trying to figure out what way I wanted to be, and I was counting stitches and I measuring and everything, so it took me a bit more than that. But yeah, I'm excited and it's so nice. So this pattern also is going to be for free. So I'm gonna make a full video tutorial. I might make like a size medium on the tutorial because it's going to be like complicated to put all the sizes in one video. But then I'm gonna offer the pattern for free on my blog, so you'll be able to go there and just check your size. So yeah, are you excited about this? Let me know. I'm so excited. Okay, another thing I've made, and this is going to be a tutorial, hopefully in this week, is this lovely and super cute laptop case. How amazing! I just love it so much. And I also put like a button there so you can close it. And I'm gonna open to show you guys. And funnily enough, I posted a video on my Instagram and everybody thought it was like popcorn. And it actually looks like popcorn. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. You let me know. But I think I'm gonna name it the popcorn laptop case because it actually looks like popcorn, doesn't it? So here is the laptop case, so you can see, and there is the inside, and then you can close it. And the good thing about this pattern is that you can make a laptop case, or you can make a phone case, or a Kindle case, or a tablet case, any cases you want, because I'll show you how to make it for any sizes. And it's really easy to make, and I wanted to show you. I also made another one using these two colors, and I think it's really nice. It's like kind of gray and white, and I made it for a tablet. Now I'm almost at the end of showing you what I made. So I made these little coasters. The original idea was to make garland using these little flowers. They kind of came out too big, so I thought maybe a coaster. But I can still make a garland with these flowers, like big flowers. I don't know whether to make the pattern or not, or make another tutorial. So I would love to know your opinion. So let me know what you think, if I should make a tutorial for this or not. But I think they're really cute, aren't they? And then the next project is a little heart basket. How cute they are. I mean, aren't they so cute? Look, it's like a heart, but in a basket. And it's like a little basket. I think they're called, I don't remember the name now. It's like a tray, but they have another name. I saw it. I don't know. So yeah, so they are like a little tray, more like a basket, because they're really small. They're so cute. And this is the back. And I still have to weave in the ends. So yeah, so how cute they are. I used a thinner yarn to make a smaller one. And how cute this is. It's like a little tray, which is, I think, so cute. And I've made the hearts. So these hearts, I released them in February, and then I transformed this into this. And you can see, you can put them there and have the coasters and the little baskets. And the little basket. This is so cute. So this is my baby. He's been here the whole time. He's been so good. He woke up and then he was like just looking at me, talking, thinking, what is she doing there? But yeah. He's so cute. He's getting so big. So, and here's a baby. Hey baby. And the little duck. Yay. And the last project that I've made is ta-da, a bag. And this is a Halloween bag. I know I made a Halloween bag in August, and the reason for that is that Hobby Yarns wanted me to create a pattern inspired by Halloween. So I went ahead and created this bag that is like kind of a knot bag. So you just have like these two sides and then you go like this. And then you wear it like this. So I think it's super cute that you can wear like for a party or even if you want to go and collect sweets. Who knows? Whatever. Or I have a better idea. You can grab your yarn. I have like this yarn here. Put it in your bag and go to the park and crochet. How cute. So this pattern will be available in Hobby Yarns very soon. So now it's time to choose 3 winners for the giveaway I've been running for a few weeks now. And this giveaway was to celebrate that I hit 50,000 on Instagram, which is amazing. So thank you so much. And I wanted to do the giveaway over here. And it was to win this blanket. How cute. And believe me, I'm gonna hide the ends to send them. But yeah, so this was the blanket, and you have the video on my YouTube channel to make it yourself, but I made this one especially for the giveaway. So yeah, so I hope you guys like it. So this is gonna be the first prize, and the second and the third prize is going to be 3 balls of yarns and the join the dots pattern in order to make the blanket. So you have the yarn and the pattern and you can make it yourself. So yeah, so I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to show you who is the winner. Good luck. Thank you so much to everybody who left a comment, and I have the winners as you saw in the previous part of the video. So the first one is Gail. Congratulations. And she commented, what a gorgeous blanket pattern. My mom taught me the basic granny square crochet when I was 10 years old, and for many years that's the only crochet I ever did. Fast forward to this year and I've recently taught myself to do very neat linen stitch squares. So yes, congratulations, you won the blanket. And now for the second and third winners. Now for the second winner is a Hazel Bloomer. I'm so sorry if I mispronounce it, but I'm leaving it there, the name. And she commented, I learned crochet at middle school and we had lessons about making handmade products. So amazing. You won a kit to make the blanket and the pattern as well. And then the third person to win. And the third person to win is Leslie Eagleson, and she wrote, my aunt taught me to crochet when I used to visit her on the farm. Congratulations. So thank you so much for watching the video and participating on the giveaway. Stay tuned because I'm gonna organize another giveaway very soon. so you can all participate and win amazing prizes. So let me know in the comments what kind of videos would you see next, and yes, see you in the next one. Bye.